Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at the noun center. 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 In the middle, and the others are the same distance apart, but in the middle. In the middle. Everything is the same distance. Okay, in the middle. Very good. This is the center of the room. The very center. The very center of the room. In the middle. Center. Center of the room. Yes. Or where things happen or come from. The thought process. My thoughts come from the brain. This is the center of the thinking. Center of the thinking part. The central decision-making center. Decision-making center. Where actions or decisions come from. The decision-making center in this case. Yes. Okay. So I could then also say, I am in the center of my office. The center of my office. In the middle. In the middle. Yeah, very good. That used, not anymore, used to be the center of operations, where all the strategic decisions and operational responsibilities were made. The center. Yes. This office is the center of my teaching business. This is where it all comes from. Where it all comes from. Yes. Yeah, here, look here. Come from. The decisions come from here. The videos come from here. The thought processes come from here in the brain. The decision-making center, or the decisions come from there. We need to go to the city center today, in the middle of something. The city center, not on the outskirts, not on the edges, but in the center. And from the center is where all the buses, trains and trams are to get to where you want to be, the center. Like, here's the center and everything else comes from it. Yeah, the center, here we are. Very good, look at that, the center. The center. Since the town center changed, everyone goes there. So since it changed, everyone goes there. Change. Yeah, everyone now goes there. Nice. So let's think. I'm in the middle. I'm in the center of my office. Yeah. I am not in the city center. Yeah, not in the city center. I am far away from the city center. The city center is 5 miles that way. No. Yeah, 5 miles that way. The city center. I am far away from the center of my city. Far away. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Very good. Very good. Yeah. So center, the middle and the others are the same distance apart. Or where things happen or where things come from. The decision-making center. The center of operations. The city center. Yeah. How cool is that? So can you use center in a sentence? Yeah. Write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just English with Adrian. Yeah. And on YouTube, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.